Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Me and Walter had to get out of here early to take care of some business. Then we went to Walmart, and then we went to Pete's. So I got a haul. It's a small haul, and this is just what I bought. You know, me and Walter, we each get a shopping cart, and we go our separate ways. So he loads his buggy up with the stuff he really likes, like pork chops and stuff like that. Okay, so I got this from Pete's Market. Got me a salad. What kind of salad is this? Chicken Caesar salad. And they got cream cheese salad dressing. I never had that before. Got some Hooters hot wing sauce. I like that a lot. Y'all know I go to Harold's Chicken from time to time and get the mild sauce. Here's their mild sauce. This was $5.99 for the bottle, and they also charged this $5.99 in the Harold's restaurant. So they didn't have the Harold's hot sauce, so I got the mild sauce. I've been making a lot of popcorn lately. So I got this Jolly Time Select yellow popcorn. Okay. I got my baby, Mackay, little summertime outfit. Look like paint splatters. Little short set. I hope it fit his little fat hiney. Trying to get him ready for the summertime. I thought this was cute. Okay. Now for the serious stuff. Got this big old thing of Oscar Mayer bacon. I'm actually going to cut it in half, vacuum seal it, put the half in the freezer, and just put this part to eat on. Because once you open the pack, bacon gets rancid if it stays in the fridge too long. I ain't trying to be throwing away no food. Got some ground beef. Got some corn on the cob nibblers. Me and Walter both like corn a lot. And he can eat the cream corn. I can't stand that cream corn stuff. Of course, I had to get some chicken wings. Got these from Pete's. Now, they had chicken wings at Walmart. They looked terrible. I don't know what was wrong with today's wings. They were horrible looking. The wings the skin all bloody looking, like bruised, and some of it looked dirty. I said, I don't want to be bothered with that. And of course I had to get that catfish. They had the freshest catfish at Pete's. Look at that. Whole fish, and they slice it into steaks. I like that. Very fresh. Okay? And I bought something that I don't need, but I'll probably eat on it 3 times. A slice of cake, y'all. Atomic cake. Y'all know I don't need it because I got diabetes type 2. So, and my readings have been good lately, and I've been good. Okay? Eating good. So I'll probably eat on this 3 times, so not to overload my sugar. This is atomic cake, so it has chocolate slice. I think it got banana. I never made atomic cake, but people used to ask for it when I was baking. I said, what is that? I never made it. And I never had any. So this is my first slice of atomic cake. I think it has a strawberry filling, banana filling, chocolate cake. Look like caramel in here. But I still got a sweet tooth. So that's the extent of my haul. So I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'm going to fix a few of these chicken wings today. I don't think I'm going to bread them because I'm going to eat some cake. So these will be naked wings that will be very well seasoned. And I'm going to eat salad. I don't know if I'm going to use my Harold's mild sauce or the Hooters hot sauce. Not sure yet. But anyway, I'm gone. Y'all be blessed. Bye.